This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front strut replacement. Removal. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Before removing any bolts, mark the location of the strut to the steering knuckle. The two lower bolts are used for front end alignment, so they need to go back as close as possible to their original position. Detach the brake hose attaching bracket and the ABS sensor harness clips. Using a socket and a hex bit, detach the stabilizer bar link from the strut. Obtain new nuts for installation. Place a floor jack under the control arm ball joint and lift the suspension slightly. Loosen and remove the strut knuckle bolts and nuts, then separate the strut from the steering knuckle. Obtain new fasteners for installation. From under the hood, remove the access panel to the upper strut nuts. To gain extra clearance for the upper strut nuts, remove the wiper arm nut. Mark the orientation of the wiper arm and the wiper arm stud, then remove the arm. Now remove the trim around the wiper arm spindle. Blow any debris out of the way with compressed air. Loosen the strut upper mounting nuts, then remove them. Obtain new nuts for installation. Remove the strut assembly from the wheel well. Installation. Orient the strut assembly and guide it up into the wheel well. With the top section in place, work the lower section onto the steering knuckle. Install the new strut-to-knuckle bolts and nuts as close as possible to the original marks you made. Also install the new stabilizer link nut. Using the floor jack, lift the steering knuckle up until the strut upper mounting studs come through their mounts. Install the new nuts. Tighten the upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Install all the upper trim components that were removed earlier. Install the wiper arm back onto the wiper arm spindle. Torque the wiper arm nut to the proper specifications. Replace the dust cap to the wiper arm. Tighten the strut-to-knuckle bolts and nuts to the specified torque setting. Tighten the brake hose bracket bolt and the stabilizer bar link nut to the specified torque settings. Remove the floor jack. Repeat this procedure for the remaining front strut assembly. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque setting.